Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan. Thanks so much for watching my video. And did you know that the month of June is Audiobook month? So here is a video about audiobooks. And I'm going to answer the question, once and for all, royalty share. Should you do it? So be sure and like, be sure and subscribe, and keep watching. Here we go. Okay. So here I am in ACX, and I am going to answer your question once and for all, should I do a royalty share book? The answer is it depends. And what I'm going to do is give you my formula for how I determine whether or not I'm going to do a royalty share book. So ACX didn't used to have this handy dandy search tool, but they do now, and it's great. So I have set my filters for female, gender, and compensation royalty share. Any other thing goes. So of course in royalty share you're going to get some weird books going on. Sexy acupuncture looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is show you this handy dandy new little tool, and that is the sort by. So click down there and you can sort by the post date, which is the most recent, which is what we're seeing right now, or the Amazon sales rank to see what's best selling. This is a nice little tool. Now, it's not always the best tool, but I think it's a great place to start. So the first thing that comes up is this moonlit nephrite. And what I'm going to do is click on it, and I'll show you just some things that I look for if I were to audition for a royalty share book or accept a royalty share book. First of all, the project budget is royalty share plus, or $200 to $400 per finished hour. This is a series, so I would probably tell the author, like if they wanted me to narrate this book, I would probably say, like, I'll do the first couple in this series, royalty share, and then maybe we'll kind of do like a hybrid as we're going down in the series, and then maybe we can do per finished hour for like the last book in the series. That's how I would typically do it because, usually the first book is going to sell the most, and then as we go through the series, the sales are going to kind of fall off a little bit. But that's the first thing that I would look for. And then I also look for Amazon sales rank, which is 4,000. Now, sometimes the Amazon sales rank can be a little deceiving because it changes every single day. However, I think the better thing to look at is the Amazon rating and to see how many ratings there are. This one has 97. Based on when the book was published. And as you can see, the original publication date of this book, Moonlit Nephrite, was the 3rd of June, 2021. So in just a matter of days, it's June 10th right now, in just a matter of days, 7 days, in a week, this book has gotten 97 ratings. This means it's got a lot of, it's gaining a lot of traction. It's getting really popular. I would definitely audition for this book if I wanted to if I wanted to narrate a reverse harem romantic comedy with explicit scenes. I would pick this book, definitely. So that's what I look for. I look for basically just, a couple things. The Amazon sales rank, the Amazon rating, versus the actual original publication date. Now, what's really nice about this is you can also view this on Amazon, and you can just kind of like see, are there any other books that are in this series? Yeah, look at this. There's 13 books in this series. Wow. Imagine if you got all 13. Wouldn't that be awesome? So I would say, yeah, if I was into this genre, yeah, I would definitely audition for this book. Let me go back to ACX and let's look at a couple other titles. It's funny just to see like the Amazon sales rank, practical electronics for inventors, crocheting, explicit instruction for teaching. Hey, look into it. So I know you're going to do great. Keep going. Don't give up. Keep working. It is June, audiobook month, and I will see you later in the next video about audiobooks. Bye.